Good day. Today's topics video is command called mkdir. Mkdir. Actually, it's make directory. So okay. So mkdir or make directory. It's a command for creating new directory in the folder in the Linux. So how it's done? First, of course, we're writing the command mkdir, make directory mkdir. Then we're writing what kind of name we want to have it. So for example, as usual, test, but we will write like new directory. Done. So as you remember from previous lessons, we're writing ls for listing files. So as we see, we have here a folder ls. By the way, where we are, print working directory, we on the root folder, and we create it on the root folder, this folder. Better to create it on the home folder. So first we will remove r recursive new directory. Done. lc. So remove it. Okay. So first let's change our context to the, as you remember, to the home directory. So the short path is cd tilde, and we here ls. So let's create new folder. By the way, let's first clear this folder up. So again, rm, then asterisk, so it means we will remove everything from the folder. Done, at least. So okay, let's get back to the mkdir command. So mkdir new directory, and this will create new directory. Done. So we can go there, get your new directory. Done. So let's get back a cd 2 points as in previous, remember. Okay, so this is the basic command. The second is to create, for example, multiple folders at once. How it's done? So we again writing mkdir, and then we're writing new d2, new d3, etc. Sorry, new d3, for example 4, etc. Okay, this was done before. As we see, we have all of this folder here, in this these folders here, in these folders. Okay, so this is multiple files at once. mkdir nd and name directory 1 and 2 and 3. Done. By the way, we can we can modify this command a bit, and I always try to use a shell a bit here. So we can create it with some like some like variables. So for example, if we will write like this, mkdir new folder and then name, and we will write these two signs, and then we will put here the word, for example 2 1 2 3 so forth, and we'll hit enter. What we see, he created for us this new folder name 1 2 3 4. What's name? So what's name, what we put it in there, in this bracket. Okay, so this is third way again, mkdir, just basic, then name1, name2, name2, name3, so forth. It means that we're creating just folders, multiple folders, or with this kind of this type of brackets, we will create 1, 2, 3. We'll create multiple folders with the names in it plus the first characters before this brackets. Again, done. Mistake. Done. This is exist. Okay, so we'll modify a bit. Done. And 22 and 23. Great. So then we can create also argument nested, so-called, so command. So for example, we don't have right now here, let's go in folder cd etc etc, but see, there's empty. We don't have a folder, but we want to have a folder which will be in another folder, which will be another folder. So for example, how we will do this? So we will write mkdir, make directory command, then first folder, folder 1, first folder, the top, then folder 2, then folder 3. Oh, moment, I'm sorry, in the folder, not the folders, 3 folders together, but I mean in the folder, sorry. So cd, let's get back. So we will create in the etc lc etc. So we will there's empty there, it's empty there, so we will create inside of this folder another folder. So how we will do this, mkdir, then etc, and then the name of the folder. So we'll create inside of the folder 1. Done. So let's do it again, and there's the folders, folder 1 inside of the etc folder. So it's called nesting, creating folders with nesting. So we also can give a permission, for example mkdir, so this put set of permissions on that, and we'll write, for example, m, modifying the right, then 775, for example, and we're creating the folder. So folder 10, folder with permissions, we'll write with permissions. Done. Let's look, it's created this folder with this rights. How we can look, how we can check it out. We'll write ls, as you remember, with l, it's mean long list, so with parameters, and it will show us everything, right, and so forth. Okay, here is not, but anyway, so we can do by the way. So mc apt get. Okay, let's go to next. I will show you later, but this all like a midnight command or writes and so forth. So bash, like it's the same, so I don't think it's need to show it here. So that's what the command mkdir. Have a